Hi, my name is Karen Beers, and along with my husband, Dean Beers, we are associates in forensic investigations. This next course is derived from our textbook, Practical Methods for Legal Investigations. This is not only for the newest investigator, it is for the experienced investigator as well. We hope you enjoy the course. Thank you.
So this is what we're going to talk about in this curriculum, Practical Methods for Legal Investigations. We're going to first talk about the basics and foundations, then we'll move on to skills, goals, and responsibilities, and then we'll wrap up the beginning sections with what it takes in teamwork. Finally, we'll go into the protocols that we use, which is the basics for this methodology: prepare, inquire, and then the final stages, analyze, document, and report. And we look forward to having you attend this curriculum. Thanks.
If you are requesting continuing education credits, send us an email at associates@investigativecourses.com. Then we will send you a link to an online quiz.
Yeah, and upon passing, we'll send you a letter of completion or certificate that you can send in to your state association or a body that you need to submit for continuing education. Just to let you know, these courses are not pre-approved for continuing education and is dependent upon your submission. Thank you. That's going to wrap up that, but I'd like to mention that it's important to us that you're always part of your state and national associations that help keep you in business, especially through legislative advocacy. These are some that we're a member of. NCISS is the National Legislative Advocacy and National Council of Investigation and Security Services. And there's also your state association that does the same thing. So we highly recommend working together. If you're involved in a specialty, criminal defense, CDITC, international work, WAD, and any kind of civil or criminal cases, NALI. So take a look at those. Go to privateinvestigations.org/associations to get more information. We certainly encourage it. Hi, and we want to hear from you about our courses and what you think. You can reach us about our courses, purchasing any podcast versions, as well as any materials for review and reference for small nominal fees, as well as any questions and suggestions you might have.
You can email us at associates@investigativecourses.com, and one of us will get right back to you.
Great, thank you.